First cultivated in China thousands of years ago, mandarins have a deep-rooted history. Cherished as symbols of prosperity, luck, and longevity, they traveled across Asia, Europe, and the Americas, becoming a beloved fruit worldwide. Mandarins have been woven into traditions across cultures. In China, they are gifted during Lunar New Year as a sign of wealth and good fortune, their bright orange hue representing gold. Their influence extended beyond Asia, and by the 19th century, mandarins became a cherished Christmas tradition in North America, inspired by tales of St. Nicholas leaving gold coins. Every Christmas, I still tuck mandarins into stockings just like my mom did. It's a simple tradition that brings a little sunshine to the season, a timeless emblem of abundance and generosity. Each time I peel a mandarin, its bright fragrance fills the air, a burst of citrus on a cold winter morning like sunshine in my hands. Nature's gift, simply wonderful. Beyond their delightful taste and cultural significance, mandarins are also packed with essential nutrients that nourish the body and support overall health. One medium mandarin, weighing 88 grams, has 47 calories. It's got 12 grams carbs, 2 grams fiber, 0.7 grams protein, and 0.3 grams fat. Mandarins have vitamins C, A, B6, B9, B1, B2, and B3, and minerals potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. And mandarins also contain beneficial antioxidants. These nutrients work together to provide a range of benefits. Mandarins are rich in vitamin C, strengthening immunity, while vitamin A supports healthy skin and vision. Their fiber supports digestion, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure. B vitamins, including B1, B6, and folate, support metabolism, helping your body convert food into fuel. With 85% water content, mandarins are naturally hydrating, while their natural sugars and citrus aroma provide a refreshing boost, perfect for brightening your day. For the best mandarins, choose fruits that feel heavy and firm. Bright skin, deep orange signals peak ripeness. Store them at room temperature for a few days or refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, peel and freeze segment. Mandarins are versatile and easy to enjoy. As a sweet fruit, they pair best with other sweet fruits like bananas and dates, or subacid fruits like apples and berries. Eat them fresh for maximum nutrients and juicy sweetness. Add segments to salads and smoothies for a citrusy boost, or pair them with microgreens like broccoli sprouts for an enzyme-rich, nutrient-packed meal. They also blend well into nutrient-dense sauces and dressings, adding natural sweetness and depth of flavor. Zest them and add a bright burst of flavor to drinks or fresh dishes. If eating them alone as a mono meal, enjoy 5 to 10 mandarins, depending on your hunger level. Their hydrating and easily digestible nature makes them a light yet satisfying option. In the winter months, mandarins are my go-to lunch. Often sold in bags, they're the ultimate grab-and-go meal. No prep needed. Just take the bag and go. Plus, their nutrient-rich profile naturally supports my body during colder months, helping me to stay vibrant and energized all season long. Mandarins. They remind us that nature provides in perfect simplicity. wholesome, nourishing, and beautifully designed. Perfectly packaged, they bring brightness to the season, offering effortless nourishment and enjoyment. From their deep cultural significance in Lunar New Year to their role in other cherished holiday traditions, mandarins symbolize abundance, joy, and the sweetness of life. And one more thing, I've added my go-to mandarin ginger sauce to the Fruitiful Soul Society's recipe library. It's simple, delicious, and free to access, along with many other nourishing recipes. Join today to check it out. Click the link in the description. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.